Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Zamans kitchen and I am your chef नासिर ज़मान। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज की डिश। आज हम बनाने लगे हैं चुकंदर गोश्त, बीटरूट्स विद लैम्ब। वी आर गोइंग टू मेक टुडे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो शुरू करते हैं इंग्रेडिएंट्स से, बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद इंग्रेडिएंट्स प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक and press the bell button so you can keep getting my latest videos. Let's start. We have 1 kilo lamb, 1 kilo mutton, around 700 gram beetroots, chukandar तकरीबन पौन किलो, 3 tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, chilli, yogurt, green paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili flake and 3 teaspoon cumin powder. And here we have ajwain, anise, fennel, onion seeds, cumin, cloves, cardamom and black peppers and coriander. Let's start. Use 1 cup oil and heat it up. Meanwhile, oil is heating up, we cut our onions. Oil is getting heated up, so we put our whole spices in it to fry them before onions. See, onions are started getting brown, so you put garlic, chili and a little bit of ginger in it. Fry them a bit with oil. After frying chili, garlic and ginger with onions, now mix our spices: chili, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili flakes, salt. Fry them a bit. Spices are fried. Now we mix green paste, ginger, garlic and chili paste. See how nicely fried. Put some half a glass water. And here we mix our meat in it. Lamb. You can use any. You can use beef, or mutton or chicken. I'm using mutton here. We cut thin slices of beetroot. Beetroot is very healthy and full of iron and blood. You can use it in salad or just as a vegetable or with meat. With everything, it's great. You can eat it like that. So put it in. Here we have fried our mutton with the spices for around 7 minutes. Now we will mix yogurt and beetroot. So now you can see the look after mixing yogurt in it. Now we will mix beetroot and tomatoes and close it for 20 minutes and cook it. In it. And close the lid and let it cook for 20 minutes. So, मिलते हैं 20 मिनट बाद. जी तो जनाब, we are here after 25 minutes. Let's see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. MashaAllah. The dish looks very nice. Here everything is cooked so nice and some lemon juice, 2 drops, and that. Dish it out. So yummy, so nice. I am very hungry. Going to eat it with chapati. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it. See you next time.